So here we have the little bit as you open the dishwasher halfway. We're going to spray our Shyn Degreaser. Then with a wet magic eraser, we're going to remove and agitate all of that dirt from the surface. As you can see on my magic, I've turned my magic eraser over to do the front. Then with a long bristle brush, I'm going to go into all of the edges. Make sure your grout brush is wet. So it's easier for you. Just remember, the bristles do the work. We don't have to go hard, just using it softly and it should come out fine. Then I'm just going in with my magic to get all the rest of the stuff that's left over. Then with a wet microfiber cloth, I'm going to remove the product and get any of the dirt or crumbs left over. Then we will polish it up. Done.